See Nigeria, my country, bandits, they pass for road, for police checkpoint. The police self, he quickly say, hey, sure. He quickly hide his gun. Watch.
Kai me yasa kake haka ne Aminu? Kai wani ma me yasa kake haka ne Aminu? Me yasa kake haka ne?
A sun tubo argument ne.
So can we call our country a country where a policeman will see bandits, he himself they dodge, he quickly they wave them in a country, sovereign nation? So that means we get government inside government. Guy, making a work on this security.
The crimes you have in the north, the insecurity you have in the north is as a direct consequence of their own action. They groomed them. Al-Qaeda in the Maghreb, ISIS in West Africa, Boko Haram, Fulani headsmen, bandits, all of them. Who brought them to Nigeria? It's Fulani. Fulani brought them into Nigeria. El Rufai brought them in. Bauchi State Governor brought them in. Are you people deaf and dumb and stupid? When you come out and you pretend, oh, we are one Nigeria, go and show me. Somebody was asking, where is the boundary?
Nigeria. Lekwa Nigeria madosa aya Chineke na de ngosi. Onye ọbụla na-ekpe ekpere ka Nigeria wee wuru ofu nna nke bridge dị ndị dị etu a wee laa ha n'iyi. Chineke na kiwe biko da kiwe kpọọ ha ọkụ. Kpọọ ha ọkụ kpọ ezinụlọ ha ọkụ.